Hey guys, how are you doing? Basically, I decided to make a makeup tutorial. I'm a Mua now. So, this is my model for today. Yeah, I got it from a nearby psych ward. No, it's my sister. Or is it? It is my sister. Yeah, but she's no less than a psych ward patient. So, now today I'm gonna do a glowy makeup on her, like a no makeup look. Yeah, so stay tuned and let's get on with it. So we'll start with the most important thing, that is moisturizing primer. Okay, yeah, there it is. So we'll prime the skin first, and it doesn't really matter whether you're using a full-fledged primer or a moisturizer because it basically does the same thing. And because we're doing a dewy no makeup look, so I think a moisturizer will work way better. And this is like an aloe vera gel. So yeah, go on, moisturize it. Lather it like well. Let it anyway absorb in your skin. Yeah, she knows next to nothing about makeup, like nothing at all. Because I don't like wearing it. Yeah, I understand that, alright. It's not like I am like I've done PhDs or something. But still, right? At least you should know something about at least moisturizing, right? Please, just take some more of it. Do humanity some favor, do your skin some favor. Just take the parts where I'm doing good moisturizing, okay? No, it doesn't work that way.
Do you see the difference between the complexion of my hands and my face?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, so I'm using a BB cream, like a very tinted BB cream instead of a full-fledged foundation because we want to keep it natural, right? And I cannot show you what BB cream I'm using because I'm ashamed of it. It's a very cheapskate version. We're quarantined people. We're quarantined.
And we're poor.
Very poor. Very poor. Now, the only expensive thing that I really own, it's not exactly that expensive for many, but this is my like secret ingredient, if you can see. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, it's the bronzing oil from Sephora. So I'll apply like 2 drops of it into the BB cream and then you get on with it. You know what's the best part? I'm not even going to show this to the Instagram people. The bronzing oil part.
Why?
Because I don't want. It's too much work. Yes, yeah, so I'll be using.
This is what will look good, like the makeup, like.
Yeah, it's my channel. Shut up.
Like showing.
Yeah, shut up. Okay, nobody wants to know. Shut up. It's exclusive, just for them. Yeah. So I'm gonna be.
Says makeup more than a brush.
Yeah, I'm gonna be using this brush to apply the BB cream, and then I'll just top it off with a damp beauty blender. Now we don't want like a full coverage thing happening here. That is why I'll be like not really going overboard with the BB cream either. I think it's like doing alright work on our skin. And honestly, our skin tone is like so messed up that nothing really matches it. Not even the foundations that I've painstakingly sought through. Even they're like not an exact match for some reason. I think it's just an Indian skin tone problem. So now I've dampened the beauty blender with the setting spray, and I'm gonna just go over the BB cream. Now we'll get on with slight under eye brightening because we don't exactly need a lot of color correction here. So
what do you mean by color correction?
Like whenever you get darkness on, wherever you have like slight darkness on your skin, and you know that it's not gonna get hidden by just a concealer, then you kind of color correct it.
Like mothers.
Yeah, like like not like very pigmented skin or like super dark circles. Like I have like super dark circles over here, and I have a little bit pigmentation for you. So for this, I just take a like slightly tanned orangey color corrector and just dab it a little bit over the dark areas. So you see, I'm not exactly using like a lot of it. And I just go with the brush over that. Now don't come for my head if you don't agree with any of my steps, because I'm an amateur. I'm like below an amateur. Now what we'll do is we'll just set her under eyes a little bit, like her under eyes in the places like the bridge of her nose and the forehead, with a little bit of powder. Not like a huge amount of it, but like a very little touch. And I'm going in with a light hand, like a very light hand. Give like a little bit depth to her face from here and here and a little bit here, and just a slight like contouring effect to the nose. I just use a little bit of bronzing powder. Now guys, I'm sure you've heard everyone say that blending is the key, and yeah, that's the truth. It is the key. If you don't blend like really well, you're gonna see harsh lines, and that is so not it. Now for the blush, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use these little sample lipsticks. I'll just warm them at the back of my hand. I can mix both the colors and I'll warm them. And then I'll just put it on her apples of the cheeks, like over here and slightly over here. And you guys must be thinking that, why am I going over the powders with cream? Well, I didn't exactly use that much powder, and I just used powder in these areas, like here and here. So this whole area is like empty for me to use if I'm using even the creams. I just use my fingers. It gives a healthy glow to the skin. I'll also apply a little bit on the nose because it looks blushy and glowy, like a natural glow. I'm gonna do the eyes, and even with the eyes, all we want to do is give a little bit of depth. Like we're not gonna go overboard with the colors because we want to keep it natural. Now I'm just going to use a cute golden shade on her lids. I just love how the shades like turned out. Now to complete the whole look, I like to use some highlighter because I love highlighters. So first I will go in the inner eye corners. Bit of highlighter, and this is like Wet n Wild highlighter, and I know I've not really mentioned all the products I've used, but they're mostly Wet n Wild. And again guys, we're not going overboard with any of the products. We're like lightly touching on them. And I'm pretty sure the camera is not exactly catching what I'm doing, but you'll get the end product. Now we'll get on with the lips, and I'll use like a very natural rosy shade, and I'll just use it with my fingers. You cannot exactly see the color right now while I'm applying it, but once I'm done with it, I'll show you the whole look, and then you can see the difference. Like I'll include like before and after pictures. And I'll just go over this with like a slight hint of lip gloss. Because I just love lip gloss. Like who doesn't, right? And of course, to top it all off, my trusty setting spray. Come on, look here, look over here. I again won't tell you what brand of setting spray that was, because I find it's ADS now. Don't come for my neck. Yeah, we tried it. We tried. Stop making those faces, alright? You're giving me a bad rep. Well, of course, we forgot one thing, and that is mascara. And you can't do that. I cannot. I'm scared of poking you in the eye with it. So guys, this is the complete look, and as you can see, I've done a very subtle work, and I think now the camera is catching on with the colors, and the blush is like very light on her skin. It's not like very overboarded, right? Now give me some glam shots of it. Like the people give like it.
Yeah,
They
this
keep,
is my
they
glam
keep their
shot.
hands like this and stuff.
This is my glam shot.
Yeah, of course, alright. So I hope you liked the video, and I hope you liked the look. And one more thing, I like to keep the brows like natural. I don't like to touch the brows.
And someone once told me my brows are my best features, so
yeah, whatever. Alright guys, thanks. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye. Say bye.